Good morning, beautiful people. If you're tired of skipping breakfast or grabbing unhealthy snacks in a rush, this video is your wake-up call. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy, delicious, and healthy breakfast ideas that will boost your energy and keep your skin glowing all day. Let's get started. First up, the classic overnight oats. Just mix rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and a touch of honey. Top with fruits like berries or bananas. Refrigerate overnight and boom, a no-cook breakfast full of fiber, antioxidants, and energy. Next, a protein-packed veggie omelet. Whisk 2 eggs with salt and pepper, then cook with chopped spinach, tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. This is perfect for muscle health and keeps you full till lunch. Avocado toast lovers, this one's for you. Mash ripe avocado with lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and chili flakes. Spread on whole grain bread and top with a poached egg for extra protein. A colorful smoothie bowl can be your skin's best friend. Blend banana, frozen berries, and Greek yogurt. Pour into a bowl and decorate with granola, nuts, and seeds. It's loaded with vitamins, probiotics, and beauty-boosting nutrients. And lastly, a 2-minute peanut butter banana toast. Spread natural peanut butter on whole grain bread, add banana slices, and sprinkle with chia seeds. A perfect balance of healthy fats, carbs, and protein. And that's your morning menu makeover. Healthy breakfasts don't have to be boring or time-consuming. Which one will you try tomorrow morning? Comment below. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. Awesome Glow Care for more daily wellness tips. See you in the next one.